First website is Wonder. If you have excellent research skills and want to earn some extra cash, Wonder might be the perfect fit. Here's how it works. Basically, Wonder invites anyone, journalists, corporations, or even individuals, to pay a flat fee for a properly researched answer to their most burning questions. In most cases, users pay this fee because they don't have the time to do the research themselves, or because they want to make sure they get it right for an important presentation or report. On the employment side, Wonder researchers pull out all stops to create accurate and comprehensive responses to any question posed. Wonder doesn't have any formal education requirements for the researchers it hires, but it does prefer candidates with excellent research and English writing skills. If you're interested in learning more, you can look into becoming a researcher on askwonder.com. Second one is Swagbucks. For an easier way to earn that doesn't require quite so much brain power, try Swagbucks. This website will literally pay you to search and play around on the internet, with almost nothing more extensive required on your part. The setup works like this: once you sign up for Swagbucks, you'll download their search bar onto your computer. From there, you earn points for shopping online, watching targeted videos, searching the web, and taking surveys. Once you rack up a ton of points, you can exchange them for gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon.com and Walmart. So yes, Swagbucks pays you in gift cards and not money. But most people can turn those gift cards into cash if they're creative. For example, you can score some Walmart gift cards and use them for groceries, then turn around and reduce your grocery budget that month. That's pretty swank if you ask me. Third one is Inbox Dollars. If you love watching online videos, who doesn't? Inbox Dollars wants to pay you to live your dream. In addition to watching videos, you can also get paid for taking surveys, reading emails, playing games, shopping online, and even searching the web. Does it get any better than that? According to the company, its users have earned more than $43 million to date. Plus, signing up is free and easy. Simply enter your email, create a password, and you'll even get $5 in bonus cash for joining. After that, the amount of money you earn is based on how many tasks you can complete.